Hey guys, in this video, I am going to teach you how to make simple edits to your website. I'm going to walk you through everything step by step, what we would do on a Zoom call or in person. And of course, if you have any questions, you can get a hold of us and we'd be more than happy to walk you through that on another call or in person. But this video will give you a really good idea on how to make those easy changes to text. Adding maybe a new link, an image, and that kind of stuff. So to get started, we'll be sending you over a unique login link to your website. And when you do that, you're going to come to a login page like this. The link will be in that email that we send over to you. When you log into your website, you're going to put in your username or password. Usually it's the same thing. And you'll hit the login button right here. When you log into the back of a WordPress site, you're going to be looking at a lot of things. The good news is that you're not going to be focusing on most of it. If anything, you're going to be living in basically two sections of the website. And that would be the pages link on the top left here, or the posts link on the very top. And the post has to do with your blog. So anytime you want to edit or add a new blog post, you're going to hit the post link. Anytime you're going to edit a new page or an existing page, you're going to hit the pages link. So we'll go ahead and do that. And when you hit the pages link, you're going to see an archive of basically everything we've built on your website, every page and so forth. So you can choose the page you want to edit content on. And by doing so, you just hover over the title and click the little edit link and click edit. Now I want to show you another way that you can edit this page. Once you're logged into the back end of the website, you have the option to go to the front end, so the live section of your site, by hovering over the visit site link on the top name here. So if I hover over the name of this website and I hit visit site, I open that up in a new tab. Now I'm looking at the website again, but you'll notice there's a black bar on the very top, and you'll see a link that says edit page. That will appear on any page you are trying to edit. So say I want to go to the About page and I don't want to go through the back-end dashboard that I showed you, you can also find it by going through here, okay? And then basically, again, you would hit the edit page and it would take you right to where I'm gonna show you. Okay, digging into how to make a small change or adjustment on the page, whether that would be editing some text, adding an image, that kind of stuff. So on this page that you're seeing, this is the About Us page, and the About Us page is split into these sections. Every section has basically a little hover green bar here. It's a text editing block. And there's three icons. The first icon is the edit tool. That's the one we're going to be using. The second one's the clone tool. So if I click this, you're gonna see it actually creates two regions. We don't want that. And then the little X, of course, means delete. So try not to do that unless it's intentional. So in this case, we're going to make just a simple edit to the text on this line. So I'm gonna click the pen tool here. And when I do that, this text pops up and it's literally just like a word editor. So you can change the wording the way you want it. And once you have the text ready to change, you're going to do two things in this order. You're going to hit Save Changes, so this blue button right here, and then you're going to hit the Update button on the right column. Now, what happens is if you leave the page or attempt to leave the page without hitting the Update button, you're going to be prompted by your browser. There'll be a little pop-up that says, "Unsaved changes have been made. Would you like to continue?" Of course, you're going to hit No, most likely, and then remember to hit the Update button. So they do that just to make sure, for whatever reason, you're kind of just double checking everything. Say you make a change and something blows up the page. Well, the good news is that if you're enrolled in our hosting or maintenance packages, we've got you covered. But there's also a really cool and unique thing built into WordPress called revisions up here. If you click on this, you can basically revert the last change you just made within minutes ago. So you can kind of save yourself on that end. So that's kind of how you edit text. Adding a link is the same way. You're going to just do it like you would in a Word document. So find the actual text you want to create a link on and then hit the little pencil tool and then copy and paste the link in that window and hit enter. Save changes, hit update. Adding an image to the page is just as simple as adding or editing text. WordPress stores a database of every single image that we've ever uploaded to the website to use. On top of that, of course, you'll have the ability to upload new images. So in this case, these are columns and these are contacts for the About page. If I hover over and I find the pencil tool and click that, say I want to update her image, I would first delete it by clicking the little X here, and then I would add a new one. And when I do this, this is going to pop up with the media library. Okay. So all of your images that have ever been stored will be shown here. You can also hit the Upload Files button right here and select a file to upload from your computer. So that's a basic run through of how to make a simple edit to text, to adding new images and stuff like that. There are certain parts of your website, like the slideshow and the bottom footer of the website, that you can technically still make changes to, but we would definitely recommend you reach out to us on some more direction. That's probably a little bit easier explained via phone or Zoom or in person. Other than that, with any other questions you have, feel free to just email us and we will be more than happy to point you in the right direction. And thanks for watching.